There's a slew of new laws to hit the books this year, but here in California, the Golden State is the first to tackle the pet population.
That's right, and KCAL9's Joy Benedict, she is live at the dog park in Encino to explain the new law that affects pet stores. Good evening, Joy. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, guys. That's right. The Golden State really trying to look out for the golden doodles and the golden retrievers and all the other dogs. We are live here at a dog park in Encino. We got a lot of dog owners and a lot of pups playing around. But the new law they're talking about today is simply how to protect those who may not have owners yet.
You little silly says, where's your bolly?
Harley's life is pretty simple, and so is Reese's, thanks to their humans. But for many dogs, the dog park on New Year's Day is just a doggone dream. But a new law in California is hoping to change that.
Reese's, what do you think of the puppy situation with the rescue dogs?
In the state of California, 2019 has already gone to the dogs. Starting today, only rescue dogs, rescue cats, and rescue rabbits are allowed to be sold in pet stores.
Most of the pet stores you see that are selling puppies, it's, you know they came from some farm somewhere.
The Humane Society estimates more than 2 million dogs come from so-called puppy mills every year, and state leaders and these dog owners don't want those dogs sold here.
So let's take care of the ones that are in the neighborhood.
The new law states any pet store selling an animal has to post which rescue or shelter it came from, so there isn't any question in pedigree.
I think it's a good thing because there's a lot of dogs in the shelters that people give away because they thought it was going to be a good fit for their families, and it's not.
And although many of these owners bought purebred animals, they say they aren't offended by the law. You can still buy from a breeder, but this law helps give more exposure to the animals left behind who truly need a home now.
Those are the first dogs that get put to sleep, and they need a lot of help. So that's a really good idea.
And the hope is next time you're picking up pet food, you may pick up a new pet and give another pup a chance to run free.
If you love dogs, then you'll do the right thing.
Look at this little cutie. This is Lincoln. And it's dogs like this really all over California that the law is meant to protect. Of course, at issue is what does this mean that the pet store owners are going to do, who obviously have been making money on some of those other purebred animals. Well, that's why the law was actually passed back in 2017, and they've had more than a year to adjust. Reporting live from Encino, I'm Joy Benedict for KCAL9 News. I'll send it back to you guys. I may keep this dog.
Too cute, Joy. Love it.